Hello, hello, a new trip today to Presqu'ile, Provincial Park, that's in Ontario and on Lake Ontario. It's a beautiful spot, a lot of sand dunes in the water, beautiful beaches. I am here for the weekend. I'm planning to do a little bit of biking, hiking, cook on the campfire, marshmallows, and just enjoy the nature here. It's very nice. All these lots are wooded and a lot of wildlife. The instructions here on the website, they talk about a lot of birds in this area. A lot of I've seen a lot of chipmunks and squirrels. So far so good. It's end of September, but the weather is still good. It's nice, sunny, so I'm looking forward to it. So come with me. Home sweet home. Okay, so the next day, it was cold last night, 3 degrees centigrade. A lot of people left already. A lot of camping spots empty. Beautiful morning here. Yesterday we did some biking, and tomorrow I'm gonna go for a hike on a beautiful boardwalk in a marsh adjacent to Lake Ontario. I'm looking forward to that, and I want to take you with me, so let's go. I wanted to show you the beach here at Presqu'ile Provincial Park. It's situated on Lake Ontario, one of the Great Lakes here in Canada. As you can see, the sand is very nice, fine. Like you would be somewhere in the Caribbean. Look how wide the beach is and how beautiful. The Canadian geese, they sound the alarm, they see me coming closer. I'm not gonna disturb them. Just gonna watch this beautiful sunset a little bit. Still some people, few people in the water, volleyball court. Yeah, some people are still enjoying the last tail end of the summer. It's almost October, September, end of September. this is it for this weekend. A nice camping trip in this beautiful provincial park, Presqu'ile Provincial Park. It appears that Presqu'ile Provincial Park used to be an island 500 years ago. The winds and the lake waves brought some sand that blocked the creek, and now it became this marsh, and they put this nice boardwalk so we can admire it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, hiking and biking. And until next time, I will say don't forget to take a hike. All the best. Gelone out.